Hello everyone, I wanted to show you the quickest and easiest way to change the background color of your Instagram story. The first thing we're going to need to do is click the little plus sign at the top of your page. From there, click Story. Next, what we are going to do is select a photo, and as you can tell here, Instagram automatically defaults a background color. But none of these are ones that I'm interested in. So what we are going to do next is go ahead and click that little line icon at the top of your screen. From there, select a color. And here is a pro tip. If you would like a color that is not available on the bottom of the screen, simply hold down on any of the colors and this will pop up, allowing you to select any color you can think of. Once you have found a color you like, hold your finger down on the screen until the screen changes to that color. Then select Done. Now that we have the background color we would like, swipe up and go to your photo album. Once you find the photo that you like, press and hold down on it until the menu shows. Then press Copy. We will then swipe up and go back to Instagram, where in the bottom left corner you should see an icon that says Add Sticker. Go ahead and tap the icon. And now we have our photo with a different colored background. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe. And let me know down in the comments section if you found this useful or if there's any other tutorials you would like to see.